Mike McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for StringTech Workstations. We've got this mahogany Dreadnought Martin guitar that has all kinds of issues because it has dried right out. And you can see that neck is pulling away. I removed the plaque from the inside of the head block to expose the bolt, and of course it was rattling loose. So we're going to tighten that up. Several other issues that have complicated things due to the lack of humidity. This guitar is dried right out. You can see I can slip that piece of paper in. This is without string tension. All the way along the back of that bridge. That bridge needs to be gently removed right on the glue line, resurfaced and re-glued. There's another issue with the top being so dry that you can see the light coming through there? That's just caving right in just ahead of the bridge. We're going to humidify this guitar for a good 3-4 days, and then we're going to check it again. Even the machine heads, all of those washers were rattling loose because the wood was just dried right out. Humidifying your guitar, it's not an inconvenience. You need to do this. If you want the guitar to have any type of longevity, you got to pay attention to humidity. Also have this crack on the top of the lower bout to deal with. I don't really see a point of impact there. So this cracking in the side as well, I think it's got more to do with lack of humidity than anything else. So we're going to humidify this for a few days and then we're going to come back to it. Those of you who are new to this concept of humidity, it's the inside of the guitar that is raw wood. That's what's going to absorb the humidity. This is why we've closed off the sound hole, and I'm going to just humidify this for the next 2-3 days, keep checking it, and we'll see how much correction we can get in that top distortion through humidification.